Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious crab chowder. First, we will gather all the necessary fresh ingredients, ensuring quality for the best flavor. Next, we will prepare our vegetables and aromatics, creating a rich foundation for our soup. Then, we will cook the chowder slowly, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld perfectly. Finally, we will garnish and serve your warm, comforting homemade crab chowder. For this delightful chowder, you will need about 1 pound of high-quality fresh crab meat, either lump or claw. Gather 2 medium-sized potatoes, peeled and diced, along with 1 large onion, finely chopped. You will also need 4 cups of whole milk or rich heavy cream for that creamy texture. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 2 stalks of celery, also diced. Let's start cooking. In a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Sauté your diced onions and celery until they are wonderfully softened, which takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add the diced potatoes and 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. Bring this to a simmer and cook until the potatoes are tender, usually around 15 minutes. Finally, gently stir in the crab meat and cream, heating through without boiling. Now for the finishing touches. Season your rich crab chowder generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a delightful pinch of Old Bay seasoning to taste. Carefully ladle the hot, aromatic chowder into individual bowls, ready for immediate enjoyment. For a beautiful presentation, garnish each serving with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or a dash of paprika. Serve alongside some warm, crusty bread or a handful of crispy oyster crackers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.